Okay, so we're going to have a quick look at setting up to get your search marketing business onto the Google Maps. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to sign into the Gmail account that you've created, as we've done here, and then you'll see if you go to the front page of Google that it has here Business Solutions. So if we click on Business Solutions, a number of the different things that Google offers for businesses. We had a look at analytics previously. But now we're going to the local business centre on the left hand side here, and this is where we add ourselves to the Google Maps. Now we are going here into an account that has already been created. If we were starting a new one, it would look more like this, that there would just be a blank form down the left hand side to fill in the details, and then as you add information here, it actually updates the listing on the right hand side. But let's have a look at one that already a lot of that typing has been done. And so if we come in here, and you'll see that I've just clicked on edit. So once you do create things, you can obviously log back in and edit them, so don't get too hung up about how you set things up to start with. So country, organisation, and the organisation here, rather than putting in Cagorabiz, you want to go with nice keyword rich phrase with ideally the name that you have chosen for your business. The street address, they do require an address. It is actually against the Google terms that they've put in recently as far as putting PO boxes. But there's basically any address that is nice and central to the location that you are searching is something that can be put in, but you do need to put in an actual address, and post office boxes or UPS is something that is permitted, and perhaps you can find the address for local UPS store, perhaps even prior to actually taking out and getting an account there. But you do want to pick a UPS store that is central to the search term that or location that you're choosing. So put the details down here. Description, got here affordable internet marketing, SEO, search marketing, and then the categories. Now you can have up to 5 categories. You can delete the categories, and it does predictively type things in. So for instance, if we were putting in web, you'll see that it does actually prompt for website designer. So yeah, these are the 5 that we've put in here: marketing consultant, internet marketing services, website designer, SEO, and small business networking. And then you can put the hours of operation. The way that the hours of operation work is you select from the pull down, start and finish hours, and then you can use apply all that will populate the rest of the days. And so if I clicked apply all to that, you'll see now that it's also saying 9 till 8, but again I can close that. So the information that we've added here has been updated on the right hand side. You will want to get some images and a video or 2 in here. We will be making some videos available that you can come along and do that later. And then when you get down to the bottom, you simply submit, and submit will take you over to the page for it to be verified. Now what that looks like is like this. So you'll be taken to a page. Now at the moment this is active because it's already been verified, but prior to verifying it, it will you'll be taken to a screen where they will have a telephone number, the telephone number that you put in, and when you click the button to submit that, it will actually telephone that number and give you a 5-digit PIN code. So Google has an automated system where they will give you a 5-digit code, and then on this page, rather than it having active, there will be a spot to enter that 5-digit code, and that will then verify the listing and put it into the system there at Google. And you'll see here they have a link that you can go to. Alright, so that's basically what all there is to it. You can add coupons as well, so this might be something like you put the details of the free report, and that will get it into the system. So thanks very much, and that will get you onto the maps, and then the question is how competitive things are as to how highly ranked you can be for that. Thanks.